Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Snapchat account. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, we need to install Snapchat on our iPhone. You can install it easy from App Store or Play Store if you use Android. So tap App Store and in the search bar, write Snapchat. Then install it and open it. Then tap sign up. Then tap OK, allow, and here write your first name and your last name. Then tap next. Then set your birthday. Then tap continue. This is your username. If you don't like it, you can easily change it. To change your username, tap change my username and set your username. For example, then tap continue. Then write your password. Then tap continue. Then write your email. If you don't have email address, you can use number phone. And then write your phone number. For me, I'll use an email instead because I don't have a phone number. Then write your email here. Then tap finish. Then tap escape and tap allow. Here you can add your friends and then tap add 7 friends. Then continue and tap OK to give access to camera. Then select your gender. Great, so we create avatar and tap done. So that's it. Our account Snapchat has been created successfully. Then tap allow to give access to microphone. And now you can easily use the filter for Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.